So okay, welcome back. So in this now next what we are going to do, when someone clicks on this admin button, it will be directed to a new page, means new activity, where the admin can upload the books. And on the same and also when the user clicks on this user button, it will be directed to user page where he or she can see the available books in the library. So let's add that functionality. So we have to give id to the button so that we can access in the Java class. So I am naming it admin button. Same for user button. Okay, so we are accessing that buttons here on the Java page. So its type is button, so we will write button. We will just give it a name of variable as admin, again as it is a button. So we will find that button by find view by id. So this is the Android syntax for that accessing that button. So we give that name as admin button. Okay, so we will set on click listener on that button. So new on click, that is whenever someone clicks on that button, what we want to do, we want to start a new page on our Android phone. So let's that new page can be started through intent. So let that intent be I. So we are going to start new page. So let's new page. So and we are opening that page from this page, which is called as main activity.java. So we have to give this as a context, and we are starting a new page. So let's name it as a admin page dot class. Okay, so currently the page is not we have not created this page, so we can simply create this page just by entering add plus enter. It will create a new Java class. Okay, it has created. And just then after creating intent, we have to start the activity. Okay, so same for user button. I am just copy and pasting it. So let's let it name of the variable as user, and its id name was user button. Okay, and after this we want to create a new page from where, from this main activity dot java. So from this context main activity, we are going to open new page. So let's name that new page as user. Okay, so as this name as this class is not, we have not created this class, so it is appearing as red. So we can simply create it by pressing add plus enter. It will create a new class, Java class. So let's see, it's open now. Okay, thanks.